Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a rolling stock update on Engage. Although I haven't done much work on the layout, I've actually found a few new pieces that would look pretty good with the concepts I'm working on for a specific presentation I have in a few months. So my first two prides enjoy are the Seaboard Coastline kit and a Seaboard Systems kit. Both modern boxcars. As you see, the Seaboard's number is 24050, and the Seaboard Coastline number is 40170. These are roundhouse kits. I absolutely love these. Very simple to put together, and microtrains trucks will be installed on those. Now, this last piece has microtrains parts installed on it, and it's a pretty cool find. Another RF&P boxcar, this time made by Intermountain. And I will take this one out of the box. This one is good. This is the one that does not have the standard Virginia on it. So this is one of the later ones, I think. It's built really nice too, and the road number is 4037, Richmond, Fredericksburg, and Potomac. Just like I have the one in HO scale, which is an AccuRail. This bad boy is beautiful. It's got the little steps on each end. Beautiful paint job on this car. And I have a little bit of Intermountain in N scale. My CN cylindrical hopper is Intermountain. My SD40T-2 is Intermountain, and so is this car. I love Intermountain stuff. I have a couple other Intermountain pieces as well, but I really, really like Intermountain with Engage. I really, really do. Their detail is awesome, and I don't know if you can see it or not on the door, but there are some inscriptions on the door, which I think is really, really cool. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not, but there are some small inscriptions on the side of the door. Pretty cool. So those are the three box cars I recently found. We'll put the RF&P box car back in its cradle so it will stay protected. And these cars will be going into service soon once I get the kits put together and go from there. So I do have a little Engage work coming. I have some more 3D items that are getting ready to come in, hopefully in the next few days. I can be able to get those painted and glued on the layout, which I'm getting excited about. So that's a plus. Like I said, I've been doing repairs for Heritage Village trains. That channel has been very, very active right now. We are climbing in subscribers for that channel. So please check out Heritage Village Trains on YouTube, Facebook, and the new Instagram account. Please look at all three of those accounts. Heritage Village Trains for all three of them. A lot of things have been posted on our YouTube channel as we've done repairs. And I've got some videos coming out off and on for a while. So a lot of videos have been being produced, and also I've been spending some time in the studio as well as the shop on working on engines and cars and getting things running and raring to go. So a lot of things we've worked on, from passenger cars to a couple of freight cars, but a lot of engines this year, So please look at that channel, and thank you all for looking at my most recent upload of the 726 Berkshire. I finally was able to get that problem resolved after about a year and a half in storage. So this was a really good moment. I got that one up and running again. And also 2383 on my personal layout is running really well. So that's also good. 38 still running great. So a lot of things have been going on, but it's just I've been working on Heritage Village train stuff for a while and getting some things rolling with that and trying to build the channel up a little bit. So I'm still around. Tidewater Rails for 2026. I'm actually going to be starting to getting back in the studios on that perspective here very, very soon. So a lot of good stuff has been taken over the course of the wintertime. So we're going to be really working on Tidewater Rails hopefully in the next few days once I get some things done for H15, once that stuff kind of slows down a little bit. But we've been moving along good on that side, so definitely look at Heritage Village Trains on the Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube pages. The Instagram account is rolling really nicely, and so is our YouTube channel. Our Facebook account has been going strong as well, so look at all three accounts. I strongly encourage you to look at what we're working on, and hopefully on that side of things, I'll be doing some more views of the layouts and things like that in the coming months. I know we've been really working on some of our stuff, and that's going to quickly expand off into going through and looking at what we have here at the club. So please, please, please subscribe to Heritage Village Train's YouTube channel. That channel is growing, so please show some love to that channel. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this quick update of these 3 cars. I'm going to have another N-scale layout update, hopefully in the next few days, once some stuff comes in. I'm just trying to think. I do have one more N-scale cards coming in and even a couple more surprises, but that's going to be a little bit later on. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I would like to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you down the main.